UAE-based crypto firm Phoenix mulls an Abu Dhabi IPO, and Eni and Exxon Mobil are the latest energy giants to report huge profit drops. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Phoenix Technology is reportedly in early talks for a UAE IPO. The UAE-based crypto mining hardware retailer may be considering a listing in Abu Dhabi this year. Phoenix is currently developing one of the largest mining facilities in the Middle East, a $2 billion crypto mining farm in the UAE. It offers mining hardware and hosting solutions for all mined assets. Established in 2015, Phoenix has operations of more than 700 megawatts across the Middle East, Europe, and North America. Hong Kong and Shanghai stocks rallied today, brushing off a drop in New York on growing hopes China will unveil fresh measures to boost its struggling economy. The Hang Seng jumped 1.41%. The Shanghai Composite rose 1.84%, while the Shenzhen Composite on China's second exchange climbed 1.23%. Italy's Eni today reported a 92% drop in Q2 net profit to $322 million on the back of weakened oil and gas prices. Like its competitors, Eni benefited last year from the spike in gas and oil prices fueled by the post-pandemic economic recovery and the war in Ukraine. Eni posted a record net profit of $15.1 billion last year. Exxon Mobil also reported a 56% slump in Q2 profit to $7.9 billion today. Britain's Shell, France's Total Energy, Spain's Repsol, and Norway's Equinor also reported net profit drops this week. Sales at Birkin bag maker Hermes accelerated in Q2, showing the resilience of global demand for its high-end leather goods. Q2 group sales rose 27.5% to $3.65 billion, with double-digit growth in all regions. Hermes results come as luxury stocks have come under pressure due to uncertainty over the pace of China's post-pandemic recovery and rising inflation. More cautious outlooks from Cartier owner Richemont and industry bellwether LVMH have pushed down shares of luxury companies in recent days. And that brings us to today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, where LVMH's Bernard Arnault is bucking the trend. He's our biggest winner today, up $6.9 billion, and now with net wealth of $227.5 billion. Our second biggest winner today is Mark Zuckerberg, up $4.6 billion with net wealth of $110.4 billion. And our third place winner is L'Oreal's François Bettencourt-Myers. She's up $2 billion with net wealth of $92.2 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. Air France KLM doubled its year-on-year Q2 net profit to $662 million, benefiting from high demand in air travel despite rising inflation. The Franco-Dutch group saw its sales rise by 13.7% compared with the same period in 2022 to $8.4 billion. It achieved a record operational margin of 9.6%. Meanwhile, British Airways parent IAG says it's returned to profitability. As the aviation sector recovers from the pandemic, IAG saw first half profit of $1 billion as passenger demand rallied. The German economy stagnated in Q2, adding to fears about the health of Europe's biggest economy. Official data reveals German Q2 GDP came in at 0%. The figure was worse than what was expected by analysts, who bet on a 0.3% rebound. The German economy was already in recession around the turn of the year, with GDP falling in 2 consecutive quarters. Meanwhile, France's economy saw surprisingly robust performance in Q2, growing 0.5%, exceeding its 0.1% growth forecast. A U.S. chipmaker, Advanced Micro Devices, says it will invest around $400 million in India over the next 5 years. It plans to build its largest design center in the tech hub of Bengaluru by the end of this year, raising its office footprint in India to 10 locations. It will create 3,000 new engineering roles in a country where it already employs 6,500 people. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.